So my name is Anay. I'm a pacing quality engineering intern.
And my name is Alayna and I am a Cardio Quality Engineering Intern. The project we're working on is to help benefit the IPI inspector data log process. So essentially, our managers came to us and said, we'd like a program or some sort of application to help standardize the input process across cardio, pacing, and platinum divisions.
This project is meaningful for Cretex and streamlining the process here because a lot of time is wasted with the current inspection process that IPI inspectors have to go through. It wastes a lot of time, valuable time that they can put towards actually checking more parts. Once we release our project for the inspectors to use, we're going to do a operational excellence study just to figure out how much time we actually saved. It's definitely going to be a few hours a week that we save, which that'll add up. And just in terms of making the process easier for inspectors, we're also saving that. And also looking at past historical data, easier for the cell leads to actually see.
So essentially, we decided it would be best to develop an Excel macro VBA application to complete this project. And it's been a long time coming, but I think we're almost done. All of the workbooks are completed. And now we're just working on what a rollout process would look like and how to implement what we've developed onto the floor and hopefully be able to help them and make a big difference.
Some challenges that we faced so far. I guess one big challenge is definitely communicating with everyone who's kind of giving us this project, and communicating with the inspectors that we're actually giving this project to. So it's just balancing what we need to put into our project, but also making sure what we put in is helpful. And also there's a lot of coding involved with this process, and I'm not familiar with VBA. Alayna is. She knew what she was doing more than I was, but we learned a lot through that, and that was mainly a challenge of just if something doesn't work, you try to figure it out and keep going.
I think we're most proud of the impact it's going to have on the inspectors and the management. As we said earlier, it's going to save a lot of time. And we really just wanted to make it easier on the inspectors, even more than the program that they have right now. And then in terms of being able to pull the metrics from the application, it's going to be huge in terms of presenting the metrics to upper management or in presentations. They'll be able to pull the data from the Excel sheets and create a dynamic Power BI dashboard to really see, okay, what machines are producing the most defects, what operator pairs, what defect are we seeing the most, what area does that come from, that sort of thing. So we're hoping to see a lot of benefit from what we've created this summer.